So, in meristematic tissue, we see cells are comparatively smaller in size. They are all living cells. In the cell wall is very thin and is made up of cellulose. Nucleus is large and prominent in the cell, easily can be located there. Cells are rich in cytoplasm. Since they are meant for cell division, so they have to be rich in nucleus and cytoplasm. And ergastic substance, normally we call the secretory products, excretory products, reserved food and all, they all collectively are known as ergastic substances in the plant body. So ergastic substances and vacuoles are normally not found, and cells are in a state of active division. This seems that cells are meant for division only. They divide and redivide. So in that case, they increase the number of cells and they add growth to the plant body. These are the different meristematic tissue found. At the tip we get the apical meristem. There is lateral meristem. This is the vertical one. This is the lateral meristem. And at the base of the internode, this is the internode. At the base of the internode, we have got the intercalary meristem. Internode is to be elongated, is very important. The reason is, if the internode is shortened, internode is shrunk, then the leaves will be overlapping one over another. Naturally, the upper layer only will be receiving the sunlight and rest all will be deprived of. So, internode has to be elongated. That's performed by the intercalary meristem in the plant body. So, these are the different types of meristematic tissue with the characteristics, types, location and function. You have to know about the characteristic features, about the structure, about the composition, about the location of the tissue and the function. These are the topics, subtopics of this topic. Then we come to the permanent tissue. Permanent tissue permanent tissues, there are two types. Simple permanent tissue made up of one kind of cells only. Hence simple. And complex permanent tissue made up of different kinds of cell, hence complex. From this point of view, simple permanent tissue we have. Number one is parenchyma. You will be writing these spellings at least 10 times each. These are all complicated spelling technical terms. Parenchyma. Number two, collenchyma. And number three, sclerenchyma. S-C-L-E-R-E-N. sclerenchyma. These are the three simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma is made up of only parenchymatous cell, collenchyma is made up of only collenchymatous cell, and sclerenchyma is made up of only sclerenchymatous cell. On the other hand, complex permanent tissues, there are two. Xylem, it has got four elements. Xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, these are called trachea as well, Trachea, this is singular. When I add an E there, it becomes trache, plural. Xylem fiber, and number 4, xylem parenchyma. Out of these four elements, these are the four elements of xylem, these three are dead elements. This is the only living element. Since most of the cell elements are dead, the xylem is known as dead tissue. Phloem, on the other hand, it is made up of sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. Out of these four elements, these three are living element. And this is the only dead element. So these are the two complex permanent tissues, xylem and phloem. They are normally found in the zone of maturation and permanent zone. In zone of found in the zone of maturation and permanent zone. And these are found, simple permanent tissue found all over the plant body. Characteristics of permanent tissues. Number 1, cells may be living or dead. Number 2, cells are comparatively larger in size. Number 3, cell wall may be thin or thick. The cellulose is accompanied by hemicellulose, pectin, chitin, cutin, lignin, etc. Nucleus may or may not be seen. Cytoplasm may not be there in the cell. Sufficiently. Ergastic substances and vacuoles are found, are present in the cell. And last but not the least, very important feature, that is cells lose their power of cell division. These are the characteristic features of permanent tissues.